In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the auto-download of PDF files in Google Chrome instead of opening them in the browser. If you're someone who frequently deals with PDF files and prefers to have them saved directly onto your device rather than opening in a new tab, this guide will help streamline that process for you. So, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Make sure it is up to date because the steps we're going to follow are based on the latest version. Now let's head over to the Settings menu. You can find this by clicking on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. Once you're in the menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will open up the Settings tab where you can customize all sorts of features for your browsing experience. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Select Privacy and Security. This section is key for adjusting how your browser manages downloads and file interactions. Once you're in Privacy and Security, look for the Site Settings option and click on it to proceed. Now scroll down until you find the Additional Content Settings section. This is where you'll find controls for various types of content that websites can show or handle, including PDFs. Click on Additional Content Settings to expand it. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled PDF Documents. Go ahead and click on that. Now, to enable automatic PDF downloading, you'll need to make a small adjustment. You'll see a toggle labeled Download PDF Files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. By turning this toggle on, which is to the right side of this label, you're telling Chrome to download PDFs automatically whenever you click a PDF link, rather than opening them in a new tab. This simple switch will help you save time if you often prefer keeping PDFs on your storage. Before you close out of the settings, it's a good idea to test this feature real quick to ensure it's working. Find a PDF link somewhere on the web or use one that you already have access to. Click on it, and you should notice that the file downloads directly to your default download folder rather than opening in the browser itself. And there you have it. With this setting adjusted, managing downloaded PDFs should be a more straightforward and streamlined task. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your browsing experience. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment below if you have any other questions or need further tips on managing files and using Chrome extensions effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.